Hello everyone and welcome back to Happy Learning Van. Today I am going to show you how to draw Vesak lanterns. So I'm going to take this hexagon first and then I'm going to draw it. Okay, so this is just a hexagon. We have to turn it into a lantern. So we have to rotate it. Well, 90. Yes, that looks more like a lantern. We have to make it a little bit bigger to look like a lantern. Okay, then we can make another one. Like that. Okay, like this. And then rotate it. Very good. And then we have to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so then I'm going to make a star like this in the middle. And then to make it look different, I made one small and one big, and the star in the middle. Now to draw the trees. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to draw the designs before the trees. Okay, just a little across. Ooh, wow, now it looks so pretty. Okay, then I'm going to draw. Okay, that won't work. No, that won't work. No, that won't work. Oh, yeah, okay. If we draw, okay, this is gonna work. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, this is the tassels of the Wesak lantern. And we can draw another one over here. Have you guys seen Wesak lanterns? These are the tassels. This way, and you can even put one like these. See? Over here. And they're swaying in the breeze. That's why it's like so awesome. You can make one on your own if you want to. This is a little difficult to make when you're really making it, but you can try. Look, it's so pretty, isn't it? And then, wow, so amazing. Okay, now for the tree. We can draw like this. There, the tree. And this is the tree. And the branches. Like this. No, that won't work. Undo. Okay. Huh. How am I supposed to draw the branches? The branches. I have no idea how to draw the branches. Okay, how do we do it? Let's do it like this. Okay. Let's draw another branch here. Then you can connect to the Wesak lanterns over here. Like this. Yeah, cool. Then another one joining to this. And another one from that star to that. Then we have to draw another tree. Right there. Because it has to connect to something. So, like that. And the tree. And it needs to connect to something. So, from here, I'll draw it like this. There. Beautiful! Isn't this very awesome? You can make one on your own with the Adara's permission, of course, but still, you can make one on your own like this. Now we can color it. Okay, so I had to take the paint bucket, choose the paint bucket, then the color of our lantern. I'm gonna put pink and purple. Pink and purple. Okay. Then this design is really gonna make the colors look a little awesome. Blue, yeah, blue, this and, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, this and yellow. Ooh, that looks pretty. And then we can put orange off for the star. We can put orange for the star. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. And the trees, of course, the trees. Oops, it's gonna be green. Oh, oh. Oh no. You know why this happened? Because it's not connected. Oh no. Yeah, we can make it bigger. Like that. Yeah. We need to lessen the screen so that the piece will become connected. And then maybe this. Yes, now it worked. See, now it works. And then we can put brown to the trunk. There, now it worked. Uh-oh, no. There's a hole somewhere. Oh, here it is. I'm just gonna connect this. Oops, black and okay. Now let's see whether this works. Yeah. Oh, oh no, what happened now? Maybe you can erase that part. What happened now? Maybe this up to there. Okay. Well, let's erase this part. Maybe it'll look nicer then too. Okay, let's hope this. Worked! It worked! It worked! It worked! It worked! Okay, now for the trunk. Please work! Please work! Yes, it worked! Now for this little branch. Oh, here. Undo. Brush. Oh, black. And connect this. There. Now maybe it'll work. I can't be sure. I'm doing this. Okay. It worked. I'm doing this right now to show you, but sometimes it always goes wrong. Uh-oh, it's thundering and grumbling here. Okay. There, Vesak lanterns. We can put designs to the Vesak listings too if you want, but let's put the moon right now. We're not focusing on that other part. We can erase. We had to erase. Let's make it yellow and color in the yellow. There, perfect. Now to erase that other part. It is. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Oh no, the trunk is gone now. I mean the tree is gone. Okay, there, perfect. Now for the green grass. But first, we have to draw something else too. The oil lamp is what we're going to draw here. That's right, it's a surprise. That's why we didn't tell you. But I guess you guys figured it out because we're already drawing it. No surprise. Okay, anyway. 2 oil lamps. Maybe that will be enough. Okay. So let's put yellow here. And the lamps, what color are we gonna put the lamps? Let's put it brown. Maybe it'll look nice if it's the tree color. Ooh, it looks pretty. Now for this part, the background. The tassels. We can make, tassels too, perfect. So, oh no. Okay, we can't. I thought it would look a little good, but we can't. Let's put the background. That's gonna be a night sky. No, cancel, cancel. Ah, cancel. Okay, that will look good. This part's green, right? Green? You think green? No, I think this will look good because it's Wesak. So, ooh, that looks pretty. Let's fill it in. Maybe this one will, yeah, black. And this also black. Don't, there we go. The window lanterns. It looks pretty. Oh no, we missed the spot, we missed the spot, we missed the spot. We missed spots. We missed some, oh, spots. Black here. Come on, come on. There we go. Beautiful lanterns in a beautiful Wesak season. This looks like a real place, real house. This looks like a real house, and there's real Wesak lanterns in a real house, and this moon also looks like real. So cool, isn't it, guys? Well, that's what we wanted you to know about the Wesak lanterns. Well, hope you got a little idea of how to draw lanterns. Oh no, we missed a spot. Okay, there we go. Oh, over here, over here. Ah! Undo. And always remember, guys, if you're filling in colors, that might happen sometimes. So be careful. Don't get worried. Just try to calm down and just try to make the empty spots uh, go well, not empty, and then you can color it in perfectly. I'm just putting a little design because I love it. Ooh, I was like, go do this, it look so awesome. So Wesak, get it? Because it's Wesak. Anyway, I'm just so happy. Anyway, that's how to make your own lantern. Well, to draw your own lantern in paint. That's how to draw your own lantern in paint. Well, hope you got some tips to draw Wesak lanterns in paint if you want to. And hope you are making lanterns in your house too. Even though I know it's coronavirus, but still, I hope you're having fun and making lanterns with your parents. Well, I just wanted to say that just use anything you can because it's corona and we can't go out, but just use anything you can for your Vesak lantern. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're not showing anybody it because, well, again, coronavirus strikes again. I like saying that. Well, anyway, hope you got some tips anyway. Uh-oh. Well, thank you for joining this lesson. Well, hope to see you soon again. Bye for now. Bye. We're gonna look so pretty.